Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. Firstly, find Recorder app and click on it. Now click on this red button to start recording, but firstly select while using the app or only the same in the pop-up. As you can see, recording is now on. You can pause it or unpause it using the same red button. If you wish to end your recording though, you can do that by clicking on this right button over here, naming it, and clicking on this icon at the top right corner of this Save Recording pop-up to save your changes. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. If you wish to delete it, you can always do that by holding it, tapping on this bin icon at the bottom left corner and selecting Delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!